Alright, what's good, y'all? So, yesterday I was working on it. I didn't fix the bug I was trying to work on yesterday, but um, I think y'all saw that I got, um, or actually, I can show you the reproducible steps. Alright, let me, OBS. Yes. So, if I add get stats, and then I do like projects. Oh, wait, hold on. I can't do it while it's updating. Alright, so if I do projects slash stats, and then I do that, let's set this to like 1. Oh shit, did I break it? Oh no, it is 0, 0. Alright, so if I go from a valid directory, right, and then I go to a non-valid directory, that's when it fails. So I gotta figure that out. And if I backtrace, oh, never mind, I'm not an OBS. Whatever. So that's what I'm working on today. I don't know where it's coming from, but I know how to reproduce it. So we're making a little bit of progress. So let's go to source. Actually, let me run this within GDB so I can get the backtrace. So if you run this, watch anyway. Do this, it will update. If I do this, it'll be fine because it's still valid. If I do this, it's not valid anymore. And it still gives me the error that's not very helpful. Well, I know where it's coming from. It's coming from the... Does it give me line numbers? No, it just tells me where it is. Main. If I dereference this, does it give me the line number? No. Can I say line? I know there's a way to get the line number, but I don't know if I can use this in this case. How to get line number from address GDB. Info line. Poopy. It could also be because I segfaulted. Whatever. Okay, so back to what I was doing. Okay, so I need to figure out what the difference is between when it's valid and when it's not valid. Just so I can run that. Okay. So let's start with source. So if we... Where's update? Okay. So if we start here... So we make all repos null, and then we initialize that string, and then we get the data from the repos category. And then we set the string to null, which we're not going to hit because there is always something in there. And then we segment the string again. And then then we change, yep. And then we change out this string right here. Wondering if that's an issue. I'm not quite sure though. Then we compare, yep, the delay, and then update the track files. If we update the track files. Okay, so what happens if the, wait, this is just interface. So what happens if we update the track files? Oh my gosh, update. So what happens if this is not valid? So if we check the path and it's not valid, then we continue, right? So we're going to continue for all of them now, but we already had something in there. So we're going to say if so it's going to be 0 and 0. So that just works out fine. We can double check that though. I'm pretty sure I'm right though. LD, send LD, and then data added and data deleted. We're gonna run build project, and then we're gonna run this again. So git stats. So yep, it's working fine. And then we delete this. Oh wait, so we're getting the right output from here. And it's valid output too. Right, so it's not the updating of the track files that's wrong. Do we have untracked files ticked here? No, we do not. So this just gets passed anyway. But let me make sure. So let's run it again. Okay, so we don't get here. What is the backtrace here? Well, that wasn't helpful. See if we get a different one. Because I want to see what the one with the text plugin was. Oh, that just crashed. What? In line 217, update track files. Oh, wait. Update tracked files. Why is that a problem? I don't think I'm gonna worry about it right now. One thing at a time. Bro, what's going on? Okay, I guess it is an actual problem. What? So we have get diff short stat. So we have deletions but not insertions. Check deletions. Oops. So if we go here and we see deletions, then it's not going to be null. That's fine. But then, wait, what was there? Okay, so it does go downstream. It doesn't fail up here, which it really should, but it doesn't fail up here. It always goes downstream, which is a problem because the fast trace is not long enough to see what actually failed most of the time, which sucks, but it's kind of on me. I mean, I know what the fuck did it. So the deletions are there. Oops, get. Oh. Yeah, that's not right. I thought I fixed this. I reverted it, that's why. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to come over here and go to the interface, and we basically need to copy the structure of this. So how do we want to do this? Let me see. So if we do get diff short stat, so what happened if we tokenize by deletions or deletion, then okay, what we can do is we can tokenize this part. So what that'll do is give us this, and then we can do it again by the comma. Oh. And then we do it. Yes, we do it again by the comma. And then that'll give us 3. But we just keep going until the comma because it'll cut off everything that's after deletion or deletions. Okay. So why did I go up? Down. So well, this sucks because it'll add to it, so we won't just have deletions anymore. But whatever. So I guess we should do that too. Let's check if this string is null, just in case. I don't know how we get past the other null, but you never know. Oh yeah. Use O instead of KO. Oh, right. Wait, I hit K? Interesting. Guess I didn't even notice it. So if we get null, then we return 0. Right? And then we have the copy of the original string, and then the buffer, and then we'll need a second buffer. Reason being is this will get destroyed, so we need to do it again. Right? Oh no, we just checker temp string. Wait, what? Copy that to temp string. Oh, I see. Yeah, and then you copy it back over. Okay, I see. So what we'll say is we copy it over, and then this will be deletions, right? And then if buffer equals null, then we do this again, bro, and then oh, I'm missing this part. This should be up here, right? And then we copy it back over and we retokenize string diff string copy and then deletion, right? If this equals null 2, then we return 0. Oh wait, if the buffer is null, so now we have buffer. So now we have it tokenized by the deletion. So then we say while buffer equals string talk. Oh wait, no. Let's take the first one. Buffer equals string talk of diff. No. Buffer no. Yeah, we did need a second buffer. Or buff2. So of buffer, and with the character of a comma, and then we say buffer equals string talk, or while. Yeah, all of this buffer, and then the comma. And then while all of this does not equal null, we keep doing it. But first, let me do this. And then copy in between here. And then paste. And then come over to, oh wait, I'm on the wrong side. And then we use A, and then it lets me type. I can get rid of one of these. Right? So now we have, that should be the number. So now output is A to L of A to L of buff2, which I didn't use for some reason. I should have. Buff2, buff2, buff2. Right. I changed a lot. What the fuck? And I need to do the same exact thing for insertions. So let's copy from here and then get insertion number. Right, but what needs to change is what we're tokenizing by. So this is insertions, and then this is, wait, not delete in word, change in word, insertion, right? So that should compile. Oops. I didn't compile on this one yet. Uh-oh. String to L. Declaration of diff string copy shadows previous 80. Oh, right. It's because this needs to be, oops, just that, because I already declared it. And then same thing for this one. All right, where did I use string to? 369. A to L. What does that even mean? In function A to L, inline from get insertion number, argument 1 null where null, not null expected. But I didn't use string to L. What is going on? Is there something wrong with? Hmm. No, it is A to L. Didn't I use A to L elsewhere too? Oh no, there's only 2. But doesn't A to L exist? It's not L to A that is? Because what was I using before? Oh wait, it's not in there. It's interface, right? I used A to L. What is happening? Is output along? Yeah. In function A to L, inline from get insertion number. Standard lib. And this is from, where's the other one from? From the array, OBS internal. Oh, kind of need that. Yeah, so this call string to L. Why would this show up now but not before? What if I just call string to L instead? What's the difference? Convert a string to a long integer. Okay, I'll just do that. Right? It's the same arguments. Wait. Oh, you don't need the base for this. It's in standard lib. Okay, I kind of don't want to do this. And then val gets set where? Oh, I see. You point to the beginning and the end of the string. Oops. Wait, where do you set endpointer? Why? Oh, okay, I see. So why even care about endpoint at all? Whatever. I should probably figure out why it's now catching this when it wasn't before. Did I initialize that value to anything? Oh, I think I see why. So it can't see that buff2 is going to be set to anything. So what if we set this to something random? I guess that is still null. But that argument shouldn't be null. Kind of like clean. Is there a way to do that? In CMake. So there isn't a clean function. I don't know funds yet. what can I do here? Because if this has been changed, then yeah, I should have to redo the cache. So it's probably not a cache issue. In a call to function string to L, declared non-null. Just buff 2 that's being called, I think. 93. And the weird thing is, when I set this to something, or I guess I can't do it like that. If I set this to a normal string, set that equal to something, okay. Is that my phone going off? Okay, so I may or may not have forgot that I can still do it the normal array way, but I forgot I had to string copy into it. So right, and then say string copy. This is supposed to be 2. And then the output of this. Okay. And then do the same thing here. Oh wait. What just happened? string copy buff2. I need string talk buffer. Oh, right. I do have to use a pointer. So, let's just say this equals malloc size of character times something. And then the first one, buff2 equals I don't think that'll work. Yeah. So what happens if I set this, if I am like string copy into buff2, this needs to be up here, to testing. It's still the same thing. I don't understand. Because this is not even, it's always going to be not null at that point. This is insertion, yeah. Okay, what if I just do the same thing there? So let's undo everything I've done. So let's go back to git insertion, and then let's just say this is now string L, and then we're gonna pass a null here because I don't care about that, and then the base of 10. Argument 1 null, where non-null expected. Okay. So is one this one or this one? I'm assuming this one. What if I do buffer? What then? Okay, it works. So, okay, it's because buffer is string talked outside of this. Okay, can I do this? Like, buffer now equals that. I don't care about buffer 2 right now. Okay, it's the same thing, but why? What's setting it equal to null? Oh, I see. My dumbass. Okay, I see now. That was silliness on my part. So, the reason it wasn't working was because this makes it go all the way to null, but I don't hold the previous state, so we can say buffer equals, no, it's going to be buffer, and then at this point buffer equals buff2. Oh no, Oh yeah, yeah. If it doesn't equal null, then we can say buffer equals, or no, but buffer equals buff2, and that'll hold our previous state until we get to the end of that. And now this is going to be buffer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. So now I have to do the same thing over get insertion over. Oops. So same thing needs to be done on the deletion side. So we say buffer is now the previous one. So buffer will equal buffer there, and then buffer equals buff2 here, and then at here we want buffer. Cool. I doubt that's gonna fix anything. I don't even remember what I was fixing. Okay. Why doesn't it do anything? Uh-oh. So where are we stuck at right now? Can I make this stop and then T? Oh well, that didn't do anything. Okay, so that was for insertion number. When we update the tracked files, let's make sure we are starting and finishing, because I could be stuck somewhere. It is entirely possible. So yeah, so we started it and then didn't finish it. So actually, I could leave that there. So let's see. I think we finished these. Finished. How much time I got left? Alright, a little bit of time. Okay, so we got past that part, and then I assume we don't finish insertions. It just works now? What the? Okay, same error, but if I delete this, it doesn't work. Did I forget to build? No way, right? All right. So we started it. Oh, I have no print in here. Why did I delete that? Oh, we finished that, but what if we just didn't finish this one? Because it has both deletions and insertions at this point. Oh, I crashed again. So we started it didn't finish it. Wait, did we? But this one finished, right? Or did it not? No, because they're pretty much the same thing, so. Yeah. Okay. So it's something in here. Wait, let me get rid of, oops, this one. And then go back to where it was. So we should get past here. Can't tell if it's stuck at this point. I think it is. So let's move this down to, where's the next point where it could crash? I think here. Yeah, so we didn't get. Let's also print out what it is. So diff string, because this is for insertions, I believe. Oh yeah, we didn't even get there. Damn. Did we not get past here at all? So we have insertions and deletions. Oh, we don't get there because we don't need to. We get down here. Duh. Oops. Run. Yes. So we got down here. Then let me see what buff 2 is. Buff 2. Because I might be... Why is that not a string? Oh, buffer is the one that's not null. But buff 2 will be. Oops. Okay, so we didn't get to that point for some reason. Okay, so it's 2 and then F. Why did we get F? So that really shouldn't be like that. Why is it like that? Because we tried to print buffer, and buffer is tokenized by insertions. Did it get destroyed in here? No. Okay, I'll figure it out later. This is so odd. Yeah, we'll do that later because I gotta go to my appointment. Let's quit this and then end this.